2019 BMW M6 Grand Coupe Review. The BMW M6 Grand Coupe offers sedan utility, coupe-like styling and sports car performance. Blending the utility of your sedan, the style of an coupe, as well as the appetite for speed of your sports car, the 2019 BMW M6 Grand Coupe serves many disciplines. It's efficient at transporting your family in luxury and delivering hair-raising performance in equal measures. Compared towards the regular 6 Series Grand Coupe, the M6 version turns into a thoroughbred by way of an 560 horsepower V8 or perhaps optional 600 horsepower, a quick-shifting 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, and sport-tuned suspension, wheels and brakes. You can even get yourself a manual transmission if you would like. Unlike many large coupe-inspired German sedans, the M6 is merely available with rear-wheel drive, which imbues it with an increase of engaging handling for the expense of low-speed acceleration. We expect an alternative for this car plus the 6 Series to debut soon, making the 2019 BMW M6 Grand Coupe likely the last of this generation. What's new? Apple CarPlay is currently included as being a subscription service with all the first year free. Otherwise, the M6 Grand Coupe enters 2019 unchanged from a year ago. Ordering a BMW M6 Grand Coupe is straightforward, just select the color and options you desire. To keep with all the car's sporty intentions, evaluate the competition package due to its upgraded power and sharper handling and steering. If you're looking for more driver involvement, the manual transmission is accessible at no cost. The executive package and parking assistance packages are worthwhile upgrades, and you can skip the pricey carbon ceramic brakes should you not plan to visit racetracks regularly. Trim levels and features. The 2019 BMW M6 Grand Coupe is really a high-performance luxury sedan for sale in a single trim level. It is distinguishable visually using 6 Series Grand Coupes with distinctive elements such to be a carbon fibre roof, unique front and back fascias, quad tailpipes, along with a range of other equipment. Standard features focus on a turbocharged 4.4-litre V8 engine, 560 horsepower, 500 pound-feet of torque that's paired to your 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. They also include 20-inch wheels, adaptive suspension dampers, a limit-slip differential, automatic adaptive LED headlights, LED fog lights and taillights, front and back parking sensors, automatic wipers, automatic soft closed doors, power folding and heated auto-dimming mirrors, keyless entry and ignition, 4-zone automatic climate control, power front seats with heating and memory settings, leather upholstery, extended leather trim, and energy adjustable controls, carbon fibre accents and split rear folding seatbacks. Also standard a Bluetooth phone and audio connectivity, driver adjustable settings, BMW's iDrive interface that has a 10.2-inch display, smartphone app integration, a navigation system, wireless device charging, a Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as a 16-speaker Harman Kardon surround sound system with satellite radio and USB pod integration. Wireless Apple CarPlay support is removed, but only to be a subscription service which is a free newbie. The M6 Grand Coupe's executive package adds a heated tyre, a head-up display sold separately, an electric rear sunshade, power rear side window shades, ventilated and fatigue-reducing active front seats, heated rear seats along with a 16-speaker Bang & Olufsen speakers. The Driver Assistance Plus package includes a lane departure warning system, blind spot monitoring, a surround view camera system, along with a forward collision warning system with pedestrian detection, even though the Parking Assistance package adds side and top view parking cameras. For more power, or if you are interested in taking your M6 Grand Coupe into a racetrack, You will get the competition package that increases engine output to 600 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque. You also get lightweight alloy wheels, revised tuning to the suspension, steering and rear differential, retuned stability control that gives a higher threshold for intervention inside the M dynamic mode, as well as a black chrome finish for your tailpipes. The M Drivers package has 1 full day of high-performance drivers training in a BMW Performance Center plus a higher top speed limit of 190 miles per hour. Standalone options provide an alternative 20-inch wheel design in silver or black, carbon ceramic brakes, a synthetic suede headliner, with an infrared night vision system with pedestrian detection. A 6-speed manual transmission can be a no-cost option. Trim tested. Has not even reviewed any version on the 2019 BMW M6 Gran Coupe, but we've limited exposure to similar models. The following is a run to take what's significant over it and what is available. Driving. The M6 Gran Coupe resembles other 6 Series cars, though the massive V8 thrust reveals it like a true M car. It's easy to drive at low speeds or perhaps in rocket ship mode, nevertheless its bulk and heft feel homeless on narrow, winding roads. Acceleration. BMW says the M6 Gran Coupe with all the automatic transmission does 0 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds. We've tested a M6 Convertible and effectively verified that number, achieving 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds. Braking. In our testing, the M6 Convertible stopped from 60 miles per hour in 108 feet, which is really a very good result for just a 495 pound car. Handling. In our test with the M6 Convertible, our driver noted that this car has real ability but offers so little steering and suspension feedback that it must be difficult to seek out and drive the auto at the edge. Bulk and mass also hinder the M6's power to handle as being a precision instrument. Driveability. With adjustable drive settings, an adaptive suspension with an optional manual transmission, the M6 is every bit suited to your daily commute or perhaps a full-speed romp. But there's no skirting the M6's mass, so agility requires a backseat to insane, and straight-line acceleration. Comfort. The adaptive suspension, adjustable steering and throttle settings, excellent seats and luxury interior appointments make for any car that's supremely comfortable irrespective of road surface. The back seat is large enough for just 2 adults, but headroom is restricted. Interior. Compared to some 5 Series, the M6 carries a more driver-centric and chic design. The dash joins gracefully, which has a large center console for any wraparound feel. We like the intuitive controls and excellent materials quality. But the coupe-like roofline makes entry and exit tougher for rear passengers. Utility. With just 12 cubic feet of trunk space, the M6 Gran Coupe isn't a particularly useful car, unless positioned on use is simply driving blazingly fast. The split rear seat that folds plus the center pass-through benefit longer, bulkier objects. Technology. BMW's iDrive sets the bar for imitators in the wake, and for good reason. The controls, particularly if paired together with a 10.2-inch display, may be accessible and easily navigable while driving. Audio and navigation. The navigation system while using 10.2-inch display comes standard. Outstanding power and clarity with either the Harman Kardon or Bang & Olufsen head unit. Smartphone integration. A cell phone connection enables entry to select applications with the display. Apple CarPlay is included to be a subscription service, which is a free newbie. Android Auto isn't supported, and wireless charging is standard. driver aids. Standard aids include parking sensors, adaptive cruise control and headlights, and also a rear view camera. More desirable features: front collision lane departure blind spot warnings, side view and top view cameras, night vision with pedestrian detection, are within option packages.